Call of Duty game players are getting infected by a self-spreading malware. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 is a first-person shooter game published by Activision and released in November 2009. This is Edwin Kwan from Sydney, Australia. Though it is an old game, it's still played by more than 600 people on the online gaming platform Steam. Most malware distributed through video games are done by either getting the players to download a Trojanized version of the game installer or having them install malware disguised as cheats. This particular malware appears to take a new distribution approach and doesn't require the victims to install anything. The malware, which is also a worm, spreads to other users who are online and in the game lobby. It does this automatically from one infected player to another. This indicates that the hackers must be exploiting bugs in the game to execute malicious code on other players' computers. The game was brought offline on Steam while Activision investigates the issue.